you cooking today?
A family favorite. This is garlic chicken pasta. I use a roasted chicken. This is pasta cooking. Roasted garlic, chicken jelly. I wish we had smell-o-vision.
Once we get that, we're going to be rich.
See how that nice seasoning from the peppers came out? Mushrooms and shallots. Here's the pasta. I'll also show you the broccoli that I did. And now the color's changing a lot, isn't it?
Beautiful. And this is
this
cream, heavy cream?
Heavy cream. We're going to add chicken now. Now, one other trick that you need to keep in mind.
Yeah.
This pasta water has a lot of starch. You'll see if you have an Italian cook, they're using the pasta water. All right, so that's how it goes.